Hi everybody, I'm Barry Stokes with Let's Fish TV, and that is a no-wake buoy. Those are put into place by governmental authorities with local, state, and federal government agencies, and they are around bridge pilings and piers. They're around marinas, boat docks, beaches, and they're in place to protect equipment, boats, people, even wildlife, habitat, and some are even there for erosion control. So exactly what is no-wake speed? It seems fairly subjective, does it not? Well, I took time to actually look up the legal definition. No-wake speed, or idle speed only, is the slowest speed at which your boat can travel and you still be able to maintain control of it. Now, in most cases, if your idle is set correctly, your throttle is set correctly, all you have to do is simply put the boat into gear and then don't give it any extra throttle. Don't push down on it. Don't push down on your hot foot accelerator if you have one of those. You simply go at the slowest idle speed that your boat will go, and that puts off basically no wake behind you. At whatever point you actually put off a wake, you are violating that no wake zone, and you could be in danger of getting yourself in trouble or getting a ticket or a fine. So know what no wake is, know how to employ it on your vessel, stay out of trouble, and protect people, places, habitat, and equipment.